Hello students, myself Ashish Srivastav, lecturer of mathematics, St. Peter College, Raebareli. Just I want to tell you about the mathematics project in class 12. As you know, this time the council has changed the pattern of the mathematics from 2021. The mathematics paper now will divide in two parts. The one part is the theory section out of this for 80 marks, and the second part is of the paper 2, that is of 20 marks. This paper 2, also called project work, this is the first time in the history of the mathematics for class 12 in the ISC board that given the 20 marks for the project. It is very good thing, good sign for all of you that you can score more marks in the mathematics subject as compared to other subjects. There are some more things about the theory paper that I will tell you. The 80 marks divided in 3 sections, but the section A is compulsory for all, that is for 65 marks, means breakup of 80 marks. And in section B or section C there is a choice of B and C. This is of 15 marks. So 65 marks of section A and 15 marks of either section B or section C, that will come 80 marks. In section A there are the 4 parts of the book. Relations and functions contains the 10 marks, algebra contains the 10 marks, calculus contains the 32 marks. Means the calculus part like the differentiation, integration, differential calculus, the calculus part will come out of 32 marks. Probability will come approx 13 marks, 13 marks. This is for section A. In section B, the vectors will come of 5 marks, 3-dimensional geometry of 6 marks, and application of integrals of 4 marks, so 15 marks. Our section C, the application of calculus of 5 marks, linear regression of 6 marks, and linear programming of 4 marks. So these are the divisions of the marks that you will get the questions of the related topics about the given, means about these marks 10, 10, 32, 13, etc. Now I come to the point, that is the project work of 20 marks. I have taken here, there are the projects in your syllabus, in the reduced syllabus, the projects are given. I tell you the project, there are the 5 projects in section A. In section A there are the 5 projects for class 12. The one using a graph demonstrate a function which is invertible. This is the project 1. Explore the principal value of the function sine inverse x using a unit circle. Explain the concept of increasing and decreasing functions using geometrical significance of dy by dx. Illustrate with proper examples. And the 2 more Illustrate the concept of definite integral a to b fx dx expressing as the limit of a sum and verify it by the actual integration. And explain the conditional probability, the theorem of total probability and the concept of Bayes theorem with suitable examples. Out of these 5 topics, you have to choose any one, because from the section A you have to make the file for the one topic, and from either from section B or from section C you have to make one more file, means total 2 files for this project out of 20 marks. 10 marks for section A project and 10 marks for section B or section C project. Here I am here to tell you how to write the project and what are the points you will write and to get the good marks in the project out of 20. With one example, one topic I'm taking here clearly that you can note down and also you can write in your file. The complete topic, or you can say the complete, I'm going to explain you the one topic completely for your project. The first one, how the marks is distributed in the project, that I want to tell you how the marks is distributed. Overall for the project 1, 10 marks. Overall format 1 marks, content 4 marks, findings 2 marks and viva based on the project 3 marks. Matlab, these 10 marks are there and 10 marks for the other project, means section B or section C. And 7 marks, you can say the all 20 marks are the in hand of the internal and external teacher. So both will give the marks and you will get the average of the marks. मतलब जैसे 10 marks का internal teacher देगा and 10 marks का external teacher देगा. In that case you will get the 20 and then 20 divided by 2, that is 10 for one project. Similarly for other project. तो इस तरह से ये average मिलेगी. So I'm now going to take the one topic from the section A, topic 4. I have the new syllabus, reduced syllabus. Illustrate the concept of definite integral a to b fx dx expressing as the limit of a sum and it verify it by the actual integration. How to write the project? First of all, you will write the project 1 and first point you will write the object. Object means the what is your object, what you are going to show in the project. तो just I'm speaking the fourth point, ये जो अभी ऑब्जेक्ट बोला है उसी को फिर से रिपीट कर रहे हैं, that you will write in your project file. Object is illustrate the concept of the definite integral a to b fx dx expressing as the limit of a sum and verify it by actual integration. This is written here, the object. Then second thing, you have to write the tools, means what you have taken to show the verify that object. Tools, in tools what you will write? According to the topic you will write the concept of differentiation as well as concept of integration. These are the tools. Third thing, प्रोसीजर. प्रोसीजर मीन्स कंटेंट. अब आपको ये दिखाना है कि इसमें क्या करना है, what you have to do, what you have to write in the project, content or procedure. For this, because this topic I have chosen from the from your book also. Here given in the book, in your book ISC Mathematics by ML Agrawal. If you have this book in your hand, then you can write. Otherwise, I'm telling you the topic, that topic related to that topic in another book also you can write down in S. Chand publication by O.P. Malhotra, and in the R.D. Sharma also this topic is given. This topic in this book is given at the page number A766. Page number A766. This is the page number. In M.L. Agrawal book. And in this you can see this 8.7 article, definite integral as the limit of a sum. This full you have to write, means from let y is equal to fx be a continuous function on the closed interval a comma b, that all the values taken by the function are non-negative, so that the graph of the given function lies above the x-axis. You will write everything in this page and up to in the page 6767. The sum of the areas of these triangles is equal to, formula is given and formula is verified, means proved. The upper limit a to b fx dx, this is the formula up to here. Okay, up to here where the formula is written. You can see in the page number A766 and 767 पे जहां पर फॉर्मूला एंड हुआ है वहां पे आपको लिखना है वहां तक. ओके, देन बिकॉज यू हैव टू इलस्ट्रेट विद द अनदर मेथड बाय टेकिंग द एग्जांपल. तो सबसे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू कैन राइट द 2 एग्जांपल ऑफ देयर आफ्टर. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट पेज पे 2 एग्जाम्पल्स लीजिएगा. सबसे पहला एग्जाम्पल कोई भी ले सकते हैं, एग्जाम्पल 1 इन द सेम एक्सरसाइज, मतलब इसी सम से रिलेटेड. पेज नंबर 767 पे, 768 पे, 769 पे. यू कैन राइट द एग्जाम्पल, एग्जाम्पल 3, एग्जाम्पल 2, एनी 2 एग्जाम्पल. बट दैट एग्जाम्पल व्हेन यू आर डूइंग, दिस इज द गिवन बाय द लिमिट एज अ सम. Also you have to verify with the another way. Another way means, suppose you have shown this minus 1 to 1 e to the power x dx. You have shown, suppose, by the limit as a sum, and now you have to show by another way. So by the direct integration, तो ये यहां पे लिखना पड़ेगा, और वी कैन शो बाय, वी कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस इंटीग्रेशन बाय अनदर वे, दैट इज I इज इक्वल टू द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ e टू द पावर x, दिस इज द सेम, एंड -1 to 1, देन पुट द वैल्यू e टू द पावर 1 minus e to the power -1, means the answer minus e minus 1. And the same answer you have got means in the example also. This is the example number 6. You can see the example number 6, the same integration you have got. And similarly, चाहे दो जो भी एग्जाम्पल लिखो, लेकिन उसके बाद में एक और मेथड से, यानी डायरेक्ट इंटीग्रेशन से भी उसको तुम्हें इंटीग्रेट करना है और तब दिखाना. तो एटलीस्ट 2 एग्जाम्पल्स यू राइट. देयर आफ्टर राइटिंग दिस पार्ट, पूरा प्रोसीजर में ये पूरा कम से कम एटलीस्ट 2 or 3 पेजेस, यू विल 3 or 4 पेजेस, और भी ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं. इन दैट केस ये सब हमने बनाया था, बट यू कैन राइट फ्रॉम द सेम बुक. ये पूरा शो किया गया, ये एग्जाम्पल है बाय अनदर वे, दिस वन. एंड देन इन द लास्ट फाइंडिंग्स, what you have find it, that you have to write, this is must. तो सबसे पहले हम इसको डिक्टेट कर रहे हैं. यू कैन राइट फॉर दिस टॉपिक ओनली, नॉट फॉर द अदर टॉपिक, फॉर दिस टॉपिक ओनली, बिकॉज द फाइंडिंग इज डिफरेंट फॉर द डिफरेंट टॉपिक. बाय दिस वी कैन से दैट if we find the area of any continuous curve between the given domain, then it gives the integration of the same function between lower and upper limit and vice versa. Also the same function is verified by the another method, that is by definite integral. तो दिस इज द फंड. अब आफ्टर राइटिंग द फाइंडिंग, दिस इज कंप्लीट योर प्रोजेक्ट, फर्स्ट project for the section A. Also I will tell the next one, next video I will make for the next topic, any one more topic of the section A, and then in section B and section C also I will make the one video, 2 videos for the section A and 2 videos for the section B and section C. Okay, thank you. So keep watching and get the knowledge.